Good day viewers. I want to introduce you to a site called Exceed LMS by Google. It's a site that Google trains people and certify people on how to get ads on their platform. Assuming you want to advertise on YouTube or on Google search engine, so they teach you how to do that. So with this, if you learn it and get certified, you can use your certificate to gain employment in any company or get jobs from company. This is also good for digital marketers and social media marketers. It can be a form. You can get the certificates to enhance your rate of acceptance by companies. So there are different forms of learning and certification. We have Google My Business Basics, that is for business promotion online. YouTube monetization, for those that want to monetize YouTube channel growth. Other stuff, you can check the Google you can check the Academy for Ads, that is Exceed LMS site, and you see this AdWords fundamental. So to learn how to put word on AdWords, add more mobile certificate. If you go through this program, they will give you certificates for it. So it's a very good site. Try and check it out. And if you have any problem with it, let me know. Thank you very much.